let you go. We'll talk to you later. Hey, don't drop your Legos in my butter. You want to say bye and then push the button?
Yeah. Mama go do it next time.
Mama's going to do it next time. Okay.
And Lena.
Okay. Okay, we love you. Bye. Well, you were not down here. What are you doing? Okay, if you need to say something, say it.
Bye. I go push the button. You go do it next time. I love you.
Peter. Peter.
The stickers fall off. The stickers. These stickers fall off and out.
Okay, then close the door, sure. One, two, here. Zip. Got it. Go stand on the steps. And then
when the pot is hot, they add the oil to it. Add probably 2 tablespoons oil. We don't need a lot of oil. 2 tablespoons oil and rinse the pot. Put it there. Then we add the tomato into it. A little salt. Add water to it. And water just because we make an egg dripping soup. You don't want to add little water. You add some water you think is enough. It depends on how much soup you want to make. If you, yeah, the more water, more soup. That's also you don't put too much water or don't put too less water. This is the potato starch. Potato starch. We get a 2 teaspoons. Or you can get you can get 1 tablespoon. This, the spoon get the potato starch, just kind of like 1 tablespoon starch, this much. Then what we do, we add some water to it. How much water? I think it's probably 3/4 water. Get a small bowl. It's just nearly full. Then you mix it. It's a starch, potato starch. Any starch I think be okay. Like no problem. We just then boiling the water, let the water do the water boiling. Water is boiling, then we add the starch stuff into it, into the boiling water. Remember, just add some and stir. Some in the bottom, just stir it, just make it all in the water. Add to it. I'm sick. And one now we just added salt. How much salt? I think it's just 1 tablespoon salt. Oh, no, not 1 teaspoon salt. Okay. Potato starch, so we try to make more and repeat and to add it more because it's not thick enough as I want. 1 tablespoon of starch, we will add it to it. Just mix it, there's no that crumbles, make it all become a liquid starch. Then we slowly add it to it. Add some to see how it's going. Don't add it once because we already added. It's not healthy. Add a little more. And keep going. Add the rest of it too. And make stirring. Right now it looks, you see it looks very transparent and what do we do next? We just wait. This is the egg, and then we start dripping the egg. You go slowly, let it just like this, then turn around. around, 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 around. Keep going. Around, around, around. Good. So it will be a beautiful egg flower. You see, can see it in the pot. Just the way you do it, just wait. Don't stir right now. Now it's boiling, so then you can stir it. Just let it boiling. When it's boiling, then you just turn off the heat. Turn off the stove. The heat. Turn off just let it boiling. Okay, right now it's boiling. What you do, then turn off the oven. The cilantro we cut it, then just put a cilantro on the top. Let me try it. It's good.